Want to trade without sitting in front of a computer all day? Most algorithmic trading these days involve artificial intelligence, which depends on the huge data that it's been trained on. Traditional algorithmic trading is a strategy in financial markets where computer algorithms make trading decisions. It involves using predefined rules and smaller mathematical models to automatically execute trades without human intervention. The goal is to increase trading speed, accuracy, and efficiency while minimizing human bias and emotions. Algorithms analyze market data to identify trading opportunities and execute trades quickly. Algorithmic trading is used by traders and financial institutions to manage portfolios, execute large orders, and engage in high-frequency trading. It requires advanced technology and expertise in designing trading algorithms. If you want more information on what artificial intelligence can offer you and what all the AI buzzwords mean, head on over to Ai-Epicentre.com.